if you hate carrying a bulky wallet and a phone separately, this case might be exactly what you need. Now, Defencase sent me this all-in-one phone case and wallet, and this is designed to keep your daily essentials all in one place. As you can see, it has multiple card slots so that you can store all of your credit cards, your IDs, transit cards. Plus, it has this zipper pouch right here. Now, this compartment, you can put in your coins, small items, cash. Really, you can keep everything nicely together. And of course, my favorite feature is that it has that built-in RFID protection, which helps block against those any type of theft from the contactless cards. And it has this magnetic snap closure that keeps everything secure and in the case, which is nice. The exterior has a soft leather style finish with reinforced stitching, and the inside has a protective shield. This helps against whether you drop your phone won't get all scratched up. So if you're someone like me who loves to travel light and keep everything organized in one place, this kind of wallet case can be super, super convenient. Definitely a great option if you want your phone case and your wallet combined into one compact design. Super pretty. I love the color purple. Can be carried like a wristlet, like you literally don't even have to carry a purse.